Hey guys, let's make eggless hot milk cake without the use of condensed milk. This is the best basic sponge recipe you'll need for creating other 100 cakes or cupcakes. Begin by adding butter to warm milk and keep stirring it till the butter has completely melted. Keep it aside till it comes to use, and in a bowl, whisk together yogurt, sugar and essence for about 2 minutes. Sift in AP flour, baking soda and baking powder. Put in the milk butter warm mixture inside and whisk it to form your lump-free cake batter. Pour it in an 8 by 4 tin size. Bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes and your hot milk cake is ready.